Yes, hello guys, hello friends, welcome back to this tutorial. And welcome back again to No Max TV. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can shut down your computer using command prompt or using CMD. So it is simple and easy ways you can use to shut down your computer using the command prompt. And it is not necessary to always navigate to shutdown area in this PC like this. So you know that already when you want to shut down, you come here and click on this icon on your computer, but by this process or by this method, you don't need to come and click here on computer to shut down it. Also, what you need to do on your computer, you need to open your command prompt or CMD by coming here on the search bar. So as you can see, search bar here, you come here on search bar, so and type CMD. When you type CMD, you are going to see this option on this command prompt. Also, I'm going to click on this CMD. After clicking on the CMD, you are going to see the options here. These options, they're saying that Microsoft Windows version 10 2020, so 2020, so 22,000.469. So when you want to shut down your computer, what you are going to do on your computer, you are going to click here on this option. You see behind the name of this computer, I'm going to type, also I'm going to type here shutdown, then click S. So when I will shut down in S, so I'm going to shut down also my computer. So then after this, or I'm going to click enter. When once I click enter on my computer, it is going to shut down immediately without clicking any other part or any other area on my computer. So let me click enter now. You are going to see that this shutdown is going to take this long to happen immediately in my computer. So this is simple steps. It is not necessary to come here and click on it. So rather than, so when I click here and click shut down, also my computer will close all apps and turn off immediately. So it is the same as when I use this shortcut, or when I use this process go in my command prompt and CMD and type shutdown S. So once I click enter, it is going to shut down itself. So also let me click enter in my computer, then you see what is going to happen. Yes, I clicked the enter. So you see it is bringing the warning which is saying that your computer, you are about to be signed out. So Windows will shut down less than a minute. So it means that when I don't close this pop-up less than a minute, it is going to shut down. So let me close this, but my computer is going to shut down immediately because I have given it a comment that it is gonna shut down itself. This is the way you can use to shut down your computer.